In this video, I'll walk you through the process of signing into a Google account on your computer. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing. Signing into a Google account is incredibly useful as it gives you access to Gmail and other Google services. To get started, open any web browser. I'll use Edge for this example. Next, search for Google to go to the official Google homepage. Once there, look at the top right corner and click Sign In. If you're already signed into a different account, don't worry. I'll show you how to manage that shortly. For now, click Sign In, then enter your email address or phone number followed by your password. Once you've done that, click Next and you'll be logged in. From here, you can easily access Gmail or other Google services. If you want to sign into an additional Google account, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Add Account and follow the same steps to log in. After adding multiple accounts, switching between them is simple and efficient.